Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy using crispy fry drippings. First, after frying, carefully pour off most of the fat, leaving about 1/4 cup of the flavorful drippings in the pan. Next, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour directly into these drippings. Stir constantly over medium heat for about 2 minutes, allowing the flour to cook and form a light golden roux. This creates the essential base for your rich, savory gravy. Now, let's build that delicious flavor and perfect consistency. Slowly pour in 2 cups of cold chicken or beef broth, or even water, while continuously whisking. This gradual addition and constant stirring are key to preventing any lumps from forming. Keep whisking as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. The gravy will begin to thicken as it heats, creating a smooth and inviting texture. With your gravy simmering, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of savory depth, consider adding a dash of soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce. Just a small amount makes a big difference. Continue to simmer for about 5 minutes or until the gravy reaches your preferred thickness. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade creation. Here are a few extra tips for your gravy mastery. If you prefer a richer, deeper flavor, opt for a darker beef or mushroom broth instead of chicken. You can easily adjust the gravy's thickness by adding a little more liquid if it's too thick or simmering it longer if it's too thin. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for other great deals and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.